So guys, as you can see right now, the price of Ether is going completely parabolic. The first target level, which we have talked plenty of time in my video, according to this double bottom, was the 2350. That has been triggered. And the second price target was this symmetrical triangle. And according to this symmetrical triangle, our upward price target for Ethereum was 2440. So now, since the price has reached both our price target level here, where we could be possibly heading next, because if you look at this price structure here in a daily time frame, you can see the upper line of this ascending broadening wedge is still one of our price target level here to the upside, right? That is very clearly seen here. And also, if you look here to the downside, RSI is clearly flashing a bullish momentum, and also this MACD. So now both the indicators are very bullish, and that can be seen here in the price action of Ethereum. So now let's find out our next potential price target level. For that, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to switch this time frame into weekly time frame, because if you look at this price structure in a weekly time frame, guys, you can see the price of Ether is forming a very nice ascending triangle scenario. Since the price has already came back to retest the previous temporary resistance line, this movement is also clearly flashing us we are heading here in an upward direction. Now, if this is going to play out, right, if this scenario is going to play out, our upward price target is going to be from this point A till this point B area, because if you look at this ascending triangle measuring technique, you can see from this point A till this point B area is going to be the price target, from this point C till this point D area. So if this is going to unfold now, right, I mean, if this scenario is going to play out, the upper price target level for us is from this point A till this point B area. So in that case, our price target here is going to be somewhere around 2550. So now we know, according to the weekly time frame, 2550 is where we are looking at, because in a daily time frame, both the price target from this double bottom and this symmetrical triangle has already been triggered. And now our next potential target for Ether is 2550. Before I switch into another chart, I would really appreciate if you could just take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. And for those individuals watching this video for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. So now, if we look at this price movement of Ether in a 4-hour time frame, guys, what we can do now is we can simply add this Fibonacci extension line, because right now, if you monitor this upward price movement for Ether, guys, you can see the price of Ether could be approaching our next potential target level for this weekly time frame. According to this weekly time frame, 2550 is where we could be possibly hitting. And now, if you look at this in 4-hour time frame, you can see the price of Ether also could be heading towards this 100% Fibonacci extension level, and this is also somewhere around 2540, 2550 price level. So now our potential price target here in a short term is this 2540, 2550 per Ethereum. So any sort of a pullback, we know we can see again this area right now, right, 0.618 is going to act as a very strong support that is sitting around 2300. And if it is going to be any sort of a longer pullback, then we also know we have a very strong support at this lower line area around 2235. But right now, I'm personally focusing more on this impulsive move in this manner, guys. And not just only, guys, if the trend here is also going to find support above this 100% Fibonacci extension level, our upward price target is going to be this 1.272 Fibonacci extension level, 1.414, and also this 1.618. I will be personally also looking around this 2900, 2790, or you can also call it 2800 and 2700 as our upward target level for Ether for the upcoming days. So let's see how this one is going to play out, because if you look at this Ether Bitcoin chart, the price of Ether has now pierced through this 0.37 level. I said you very loud and clear, if we are going to find support above this Ether Bitcoin chart, the upward price target is going to be this 0.0552, 0.560 price target level here in an upward direction. So now, since we are already breaking out of this 0.037 level, this is very bullish scenario for Ether, because you can see here, according to this Livermore speculative chart, after breaking out of this accumulation cylinder with widening mouth, the price target is going to be very parabolic, right? So this is also clearly flashing that now the price of Ether compared to Bitcoin looks very bullish, and this is also confirming it right now. And not just only because of this Ether Bitcoin chart, the price of Ether right now does have a lot of potential compared to Bitcoin, but also if you look at this market cap Bitcoin dominance, the dominance here is clearly fading away. I did talk about this scenario in my video, and right now if you also look at this, you can see this descending broadening wedge. Inside the descending broadening wedge, I said you guys, we were forming this head and shoulder, and according to this head and shoulder, the target here was this lower line area, and now since we are approaching it, it is also clearly flashing us, hey, we can be getting gravitated towards this lower line area of this descending broadening wedge, and also this lower line level around this 50-51%. So this is also clearly flashing us right now. Price of Ether might be outperforming Bitcoin. So these are some of the scenario I wanted to share you on this short video, guys. I hope this video was still helpful and informative enough. If that's the case, then hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.